Hi sir, good day. This is my answer about Chapter 5 Assessment in Multigrade Classes. Lesson 1 Monitoring, Assessment, and Evaluation in Multigrade Classes. To begin with the first question. Differentiate monitoring, assessment, and evaluation in your simplest terminology. Show a situation in a class that you perform the three inside your multigrade class. So, the difference between monitoring, assessment, and evaluation is when we say monitoring, the teacher is uh, observing or keeping track to the progress of his or her students and to take corrections if necessary. Whereas assessment refers to the collection of information about the progress of learners, which uses a variety of methods that evaluate, measure, and document the academic readiness and skill acquisition of students. It could be a diagnostic, formative, and summative assessments, while evaluation is the judgment made about learners' performance in comparison to that of others. Assessment is a component of evaluation, and we can only evaluate something after it has been assessed. And one of the example where monitoring, assessment, and evaluation are found in a class is, let's say for example, I am a multigrade PE teacher. I would let my students play volleyball and monitor if there is a need to correct. After days of playing, I would assess my students if there is progress with their performance by having a group competition. After assessing, I able to know that both groups really understand and really improved with their performance, which is the evaluation because I able to judge that both groups performed well. Number 2. Why should the assessment strategies align with the differentiated instruction approach used in multigrade classes? So, assessment strategies should be aligned with a differentiated instruction approach, especially in multigrade classes, in order for a successful multigrade instruction. As we all know that different approaches and strategies are used to cater the varying needs of the students. Because as future educator, it is our duty to provide students with learning experiences that would suit their needs and provide self-effective learning. Number 3. Explain how monitoring, assessment, and evaluation in multigrade classes can be done effectively. So, monitoring, assessment, and evaluation in multigrade classes can be done effectively by utilizing the differentiated instruction approach. Because students in multigrade have various interests and needs, that's why it's a must for a teacher to use differentiated instruction, as there is no single teaching approach that would fit all the learners. As everyone is unique, we have individual learning style that would fit our capacity to learn. These enable learners to grow outside from their comfort zone because they able to know their strengths and weaknesses with the feedback they receive from their teacher with their performance. Number 4 question. Why is assessment important in teaching learning process? So, assessment is important in teaching learning process because it includes testing the students to see how well they have learned and where they have struggled, as well as improved teaching approaches. It does not only serve the students but also for teachers as an excellent feedback mechanism to let the students know about their progress and take steps toward bettering their performances. This helps the teacher and parents seek professional help in some cases. It not only helps the students demonstrate their learning and knowledge on a given topic and gives the teacher an opportunity to understand why students fare well on their exams, and for the teachers if they are going to the right direction.